Did you know that you can make phone calls through your vehicle's Sync 3 system? Let me tell you about it. First, you'll need to pair your phone in order to use some of the Sync 3 features. But don't worry, it's simple. Oh, and for those of you who don't know, pairing is what lets Bluetooth devices like your phone and your Sync 3 system communicate with each other. Let's get started. First, make sure the ignition is on, your vehicle is in park, and your phone is turned on. Now, turn on your phone's Bluetooth feature so that the Sync 3 system can connect to your phone. Touch the phone icon at the bottom of the screen, and then press the Add Phone tile. Next, it will ask you to search for Sync on your device, and you'll see a Search for Sync message on the screen. Once you find Sync on your device, select it. If your phone supports something called Simple Secured Pairing, a message box will be displayed on your phone, and your Sync 3 system will ask you to confirm that the number that appears on your phone matches the one in the message box on the screen. After you've matched the numbers, press Pair on your phone and Yes on your touchscreen. If your phone does not support this type of pairing, you may have to enter the 4-digit code that's displayed on the screen into your phone, and then press Pair. You'll know that your phone is paired when you see a Pairing Successful message with the name of your paired phone on the display screen, and Sync 3 will automatically download your contact list. And if 911 Assist is not already set to on, the system will ask if you want to turn it on. 911 Assist can connect you directly to a 911 operator if you are in an accident and your airbags deploy or your fuel switch cuts off. When pairing is complete, press Finish. If you want to add an additional phone, just touch the Paired Phone tile. Here, View Devices, and add a Bluetooth device. Then, just follow the prompts. Since there is now a second phone paired, Sync 3 will ask if you want this phone to be a favorite, meaning Sync would like you to choose which phone you'd like connected if there's more than one paired phone in the vehicle. If at any time you wish to switch from one paired phone to any of the other paired phones, touch Phone, the current Paired Phone tile, View Devices, then touch the name of the device you want to switch to. A tile menu will appear for the device. Choose the Connect tile, and that phone will now be the device connected via Bluetooth. You can also choose to make this phone your primary if you would like. Now, you're ready to use your voice commands and hands-free calling. Any questions? Go to owner.ford.com.